Also in this match from Shining Asgard, weighing in at 240 pounds, Valiant Bjorn Wolf.
Her singlare drog over saltställd hav till Norge hans korsmål stande bland blodbras klipper han fann sin krav vacker så blodig en panne väl upp för dag de kommer väl över den heder.
Their opponent from Los Angeles, California, weighing in at 225 pounds, Ian Wise.
Can't stand to look at you now. This revelation's out of my hands. Still I can't bear the thought of you now. This complication's leaving me scared. Come on!
Here we go with triple threat action.
Ian Wise starting immediately, doing a nice drop kick on Valiant.
Now he's trying to take down the tower.
Tower inviting him to, but he just shoves Ian Wise right into Valiant. Valiant's back on this hard concrete. It is hot here, ladies and gentlemen. That pavement is baking right now. So who do you have in this one, Brandon? What do you think?
Well, you know, Tower's got the size advantage, but Wolf's got the mystique hailing from Shining Asgard. Not sure exactly where that is, but...
Oh, that's about 10 miles north of Danbury, Connecticut. I've been there. Ian Wise getting a little bit of activity here, actually getting Valiant, getting both of the men down on their knees. He's trying to use that speed. He's not a small man, but he's certainly the smallest one in the ring right now, so he's using that speed advantage. Going for a pinfall.
Tower breaks it up.
Tower's a big man, but he was using a little dexterity there with that shot.
What's your problem? Get in the face.
That's the word. Pushes him down.
Tower's a big man, and you know, Mr. Tubbs, he's got a lot of experience. I'm not as tall, but I've always been a big man, and that's who I'm going for. Tower's going to win this one. Nice European uppercut, though. Ian Wise is not wasting any energy in this match. I'm actually very surprised. Ian Wise has a lot of experience. I have seen him live on several occasions now. I don't know, he's got a lot of strength and a lot.
Bjorn Wolf has entered the ring with some kendo sticks.
Giant one.
And what is going on?
Apparently the ref...
He just struck Ian over the back with those kendo sticks. The refs like not...
They end up caning each other. Wise trying to get out of dodge here.
Using his quickness and his better dexterity here.
Dueling stereo canes to the head, and Ian Wise need to take advantage here.
I'm still wondering, did somebody say something? Was this a no DQ match here? I think I'm a little confused.
Nice moonsault by Ian Wise. Don't know if he quite got all of it though, but he needs to make a cover.
Yeah, he has a chance here of getting a pinfall.
Just a 2 count.
Yeah, I don't know if Ian Wise was just a little slow there or if Tower is just not ready to be beaten, but the big man getting to his feet. Wise looks like he's sizing him up.
big clothesline, and he's down for the count. 1, 2. That's a 3 count.
Valiant Bjorn Wolf, folks. I can't believe it's over that fast.
Winner of this match by pinfall, Valiant Bjorn Wolf.
It was a very impressive victory. Gigantic clothesline he took on Ian Wise.